Okay, let's start. So we are going through mid-year revision paper 2, 7B part 2. So it says that it is compounded. So we use this formula to calculate A. Need to remember that A is actually principal plus interest. Then I want to calculate the monthly installment, monthly repayment. So again, A is P plus I, and it says it is paid over 8 years. So divide by 8, and because it's monthly, I have to multiply by 12. Alright, next question for 8B part 2. 8B part 3. Read the question. The question actually says AB is parallel to CD. So which means I can draw two arrows here, and because they are similar, so this 48 degree is equals to this 48 degree, and once I have this, I think you are able to find BAC. Next, question 10 is skip. We have not learned this topic yet. Question E1B. Question 1B. 11B, I think. 11B part 3. So we want to find this length. And then the question is, can we use Takasu? Answer is no, because it's not a right angle triangle. Can we use sine rule? Answer no again, because actually it is a yes, right? No, we need a set of angle and opposite length, so we do not have. So this is no. So cosine rule we are using, and remember this is from the formula paper, and A represents the unknown side. So unknown side exact, so this is exact, and therefore this A represents the opposite angle, which is 32. Right, go and try. 11B part 3. Oh, so this is 10B. Alright, 11B part 3. I only found 11A part 3. So they say they want to find IQ. Isn't it Q3 minus Q1? Unless you tell me that Q3 and Q1 is impossible to read. Go ahead and try first. Alright, so first paper 2 is done. So now we go to paper 3. Paper 3, it says question 8. Yeah, so when n is 3, we say that it's a polygon. It's a polygon. And in this case, 3 means 3 sides, so it's a triangle. 4 is still fine, equilateral. 99 side is still fine, but once it is a decimal, 7.8, 5.6, then we say that no, this is not a polygon, because polygon cannot have point something. Now we look at this diagram. Interior angle is 155, exterior angle is 25. So if one interior angle is 155, 2 will be 2 times 155, n will be n times 155. If I look at exterior angle, one exterior angle 25, and the exterior angle will be 25. And you will know this formula as well. Can you equate something? Try. Then we go through tomorrow. Question 9. Okay, question 9, the main thing is to form two equations. So I have length AD is equals to length CE, because of a square and an equilateral triangle, and therefore this equals to this. But there are two unknowns, y oh no, there's only one unknown. So this is actually to solve for y. But let's take a look at x. X actually you can base on this triangle. So I know this is 5x minus 10, and this 2 is actually equal. So I have an isosceles triangle, and I know this is actually 45 degree. Can you form an equation and solve for x? Now 4b, next question. Pictogram. So I have Wednesday is to Thursday, 3 is to 1. So Wednesday there are 4.5 envelope. 4.5 envelope. So then if 3 units is 4.5 envelope, 1 unit is how many envelope? Sort it out. Next. So the idea here is divide equally. So everyone must have same unit. I add everything up, it's 12 unit, which means if I divide by 3 people, I will have 4 unit each. And look at the 3 and 4, which means 1 unit is $30. Sort it out. Okay, next, question 17. What you need to understand is Sharon's stop. Stop means over here is Nettie house, right? And I want to find the distance. A is the home actually, and of course this is the shopping mall, right? So then must look at the vertical axis. This is distance, so I'm interested in this distance, and that's the answer for A. Stop at shopping center means I want to know what is the time here. Speed, I'm looking at distance over time, so what is the distance, what is the time? Find out. Question 20a. I want to find perimeter. So perimeter will be equals to something which is the arc length, which is here, and I have theta, I have r. Theta in this case is quadrant, so it's 90. Radius given is 5. But perimeter can't stop here. Perimeter must add this, so I plus this, and this, and I plus this. So you go and try. Next one, area. So area I know is 54.6, and it is made out of a sector. So again, this is your 90 degree, and this is your 5, and this thing here will come here, and area of OBCD is actually a rectangle, so it's length times breadth, and that's where you have your BC. Go and try. Okay, next one, question 21. AX. So I want to find this distance. Simple, right? This is a right angle, so Pythagoras theorem will solve this. Then AC. AC, isn't it AX equal to AX plus XC? So how do I find this? You like sine rule, right? So sine rule means I find this angle, and sine angle over length is equals to sine angle over length. Go and try. Next one, we discussed about mode before. Based on what you understand of mode, you try. Then we discuss tomorrow again. And next one, yes, paper 4. So I want to discuss halfway. Then I look at whole number first. If I have 1 and 4, let's look at the number line. 1 and 4. I know the answer is 2.5 because the difference between here is 1.5. The difference between here is 1.5. But how do I get 1.5? Oh, I can simply just add the two numbers divided by 2. Make a guess how this looks like. 1b wants to express 8 mm as a fraction of 1 cm. Key thing here is same unit. It must be in the same unit. Go and try. Regular pentagon, we discussed before yesterday, so you go and try. 7b, is it done? 7b, that's the last question. No, number pattern. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, so I look at the big picture again, and then we mention, oh, this is not the same difference, so this is out of syllabus. But if I look closer, I focus at the numerator. So numerator is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, and then I can actually say that the next one is 5. I look at the denominator. I have actually 5, 11, 17, 23. So it's a plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. So the next one will be plus 6, 29, which is correct. So again your turn. If I want to look for n, n term, right? N term. What will be the formula here and what will be the formula here? This is 2 separate formula. So I have something plus something, something plus something. You go and try. Question 10. Alright, question 10 says I want to look at the golf ball. So assume golf ball is in the form of a sphere. This is the formula of sphere. You go and try. B, I want to pack. So if I look at the empty spaces, it is actually all the area here and here and here. What I can do is I can take length times breadth times height. So length times breadth times height, that's the volume of the whole box, minus the volume of the 12 the balls, right? This is the balls. So figure out, go and try. Last one, I want to make the box. Do you think we are talking about area and volume? And which one will have a bigger area or volume? And do we want a big or small area or volume? I want to see all your answers tomorrow, then we can discuss.